Found some cool studies from the 1890s and so on. It's basically Faraday's last experiment, and there was this guy who retried it in the 1890s, and it failed. And then he did it again, and it worked. And in 1902, he got a Pulitzer Prize, whatever it's called. He got paid to study more, or whatever that is. The Pulitzer Prize or fucking Nobel Prize. I think it's the Nobel Prize. But it was basically magnetism's effects on light. He was basically one way, like if the magnetism was going this way and light was going this way, depending on the pole's direction. I'm not sure which was north and south and north, which did what, but basically it slowed. One way it slowed the protons, and another way it sped the protons up. So effectively, he was speeding up and slowing down light with magnetism. And this is just a great big magnet, just a regular DC magnet. No high frequencies, no nothing. He just had a strong magnet and could visualize, and you could visualize it as separated lines. Like one line of light would turn into two. And in the end, he did another experiment, I guess, and then ended up with some more stuff where there was more lines and got all complicated. But basically, isn't that time travel? Isn't that what that is? According to my AI, yes. They are effectively manipulating light's speed. They are slowing it down and speeding it up with a magnet. Now, if that's true, then we can manipulate space-time with magnetism, maybe? According to Einstein, if we can manipulate light and slow it down and speed it up, that would mean that we can manipulate time-space. And I'm going to have to look up their names. Hold on. Pieter, Zeeman, and Lorentz, and such. They won the Pulitzer Prize, or the Nobel Prize, in 1902 for manipulating light with magnetism. And that, I guess, is basically what all of fucking quantum physics is based upon, is that. Now, I mean, I've always tried to say that magnetism affects light, like it bends light, blah, blah, blah. And I can't find any information on it, and there it is, and plain as day, in fucking the 1902 Nobel Peace Prize. So, I mean, that doesn't say that magnetism is gravity, but it does say that you can manipulate light with magnetism. It's kind of funny, just saying. I mean, and that in itself means a lot for a rotating device that's based on high frequency magnetism.